Calculating the area of a rhombus and a kite. A rhombus is a shape that has equal sides and the diagonals bisect each other at 90 degrees. The rule for calculating the area of a rhombus is area equals half multiplied by x multiplied by y. X and y are the diagonals, so if we look at the line PR, or the diagonal, PR would be represented by x and QS would be represented by y. In our example, the diagonal PR is equal to 30 centimetres and the diagonal QS is equal to 40 centimetres. And remembering for our rule, the rule is area equals half xy, and PR will be our x and QS will be our y. So the rule we substitute into half multiplied by 30 multiplied by 40 equals half of 30 is 15. 15 multiplied by 40 is 600, so the area is 600 centimetres squared. The next shape we're looking at is a kite, and a kite is slightly different from a rhombus in that the adjacent sides are equal in length. We represent sides being adjacent to each other with symbols, so by putting a single line or dash on the top two lines, I represent that they are the same length, and by putting two lines on the longer sides, I represent that they are the same length. Now, calculating the area of a kite uses the same rule as a rhombus, so the area rule is area equals half x, y, and the x and y again are the diagonals. So in this case, diagonal AC would be represented by x and diagonal DB or BD, DB would be represented by y. So in our example here, we're going to calculate the area of this kite, and the rule is area equals half xy, with x being the diagonal A to C and y being the diagonal D to B. So that equals a half multiplied by 6 multiplied by 4. A half multiplied by 6 is 3, multiplied by 4 is 12. Therefore the area of the kite is 12 centimetres squared.